everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a paper cup, cut it from the top like this to make the wheels. So here we are making a bicycle. Fix the wheels like this, make its body, handle and its seat, and your bicycle is ready. Next craft we'll be making using a paper cup. Take a cup like this and press it. Now cut it from the sides. Spread it to make a hole. Fix a thread and fix two cups together using a thread. Now make the hands and legs of the dinosaur and it's ready. Next we'll make a fan. For that we'll take a paper cup, cut it from the sides like this to give it a shape. Now make a hole in the between, put a thread or a rubber band like this and fix the stick on the back. Now apply the fan strings like this, put the numbers, roll the rubber band from the back and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll make an octopus. Take a paper cup and cut it from the sides to make the frills like this. Now spread it as shown in the video. Curl them using the stick. Now draw the patterns on its legs. Now stick its eyes, mouth. Now fix both of them together using a paper spring. Take a paper strip and fold it to make the spring. Fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll make a lion. Take a paper cup like this and some dry leaves. Now take a paper and paste it to make its face. Draw its nose in the between. Now draw its eyes using a black marker like this. Color it as we are coloring. Now stick the red dots on the sides. Now using the leaves we will make its hairs. Paste it on the sides and fix it over the cup and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Okay, don't forget to make its tail and legs. Next, we'll be making a toy using a paper cup. Take a paper cup like this and put these straws. For that, first we will make the bunny face. Now fix 3 straws together and cut it. Fix it in the holes in the paper cup like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.